Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing some do's and don'ts on hooded downturned eyes, and I'm pretty much doing the same look on both sides, but I'm just changing it up a little bit depending on if it's the do or the don't side. Okay, so let's start with the do side. I'm applying a medium brown matte eyeshadow, and I'm applying this on the hood mostly. This gives the illusion that our crease is higher up than it normally is, and also it hides the hood. Next we're going to create a winged liner, but I'm actually not using a liquid liner. I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow to make it as soft as possible. If we were to use a black liquid liner, it would be a lot more contrasty and it would really bring the hood more out and more visible rather than hide it. And when creating the wing, I'm following the line from my lower lash line upwards, and then I'm connecting this line with the upper lash line. At this point, I usually open my eye and check in the mirror when I lower my eyebrows how the line looks, and if it still looks hooded, I will thicken the eyeliner in the outer corner and make it as thick as possible until it doesn't look hooded anymore. Next, we're moving over to the don't side, and I'm obviously using a liquid liner to create a very harsh and contrasty line. I'm creating a quite thin wing, and I'm not following the lower lash line when I'm doing the wing, which makes this wing look a lot more droopy and sad. On the do side, I'm using the medium brown matte eyeshadow to connect the lower lash line with the wing. I'm blending this all the way to the inner corner of the eye and from there up to the tip of the wing so that the eyeshadow direction is going up rather than down. And on the don't side, I'm applying this eyeshadow only in the outer corner on the lower lash line, and I'm not connecting it with the wing. And this will actually only enhance the droopiness of the eye. Next, we're going to jump to the false eyelashes. So my lashes aren't enough to cover my hood. Therefore, I like to apply eyelashes that are very thick and especially in the outer corner so that they will hide the hood. On the don't side, I'm going to apply false eyelashes that are very thin and they are shorter in the outer corner, so not the best option for this eyeshadow look or eyeliner look. And lastly, I'm going to apply mascara on the lower lashes. So on the do side, I'm going to apply a very, very small amount. And I'm not taking it on the whole length of the lash, but only in the roots so that it doesn't drag my eyes down. And on the don't side, we're gonna apply a lot more of mascara, and I'm also applying this on the whole length of the lash so that it makes my eyes as droopy as possible. Okay guys, here you had all the do's and don'ts for this eyeliner look. Hope you learned some new tips on how to apply your eyeliner for hooded and droopy eyelids. If you liked this video and want to see more, then go and like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!